Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Golf. In this video I'll show you how to use shifter. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the DSG shifter. To manage it, first you press brake, and now, using button on the front, you can push from parking to reverse. Next you can select neutral and drive. Once we are in drive, we can push the gearbox shifter right, and we can manually change gears. Then, if we are in D, we can also select Sport. You can see current shifter mode right here. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.